Wait, what if airplane mode is just a big lie? You've been switching it on for years, but do you even need to? Airplane mode turns off signals like Wi-Fi and cellular, but what if I told you the real reason isn't what you think? Modern planes are shielded. So, why the rule still exists? Some say it's more about controlling signal chaos on the ground than actual danger in the air. Oh, and it secretly helps your phone charge faster.
Weird, right?
Ever left airplane mode off just to see what happens? Comment still alive if you've done it, and subscribe for more tech secrets they don't tell you.